Alright guys, I'm just going to do a quick video here about my travel toolbox for road trips and whatnot that I keep in my car while I happen to have it out of my car. And give you a quick tour here, show you what I keep in there just in case of emergencies and that sort of thing. This isn't a box I work out of, it's just for carrying around with me different places. If I need to fix something on the side of the road, I should have what I need in this box to get it done. So open it up here, show you on top. I got a magnet tray. Here I got some lug nut sockets deep, and then some other metric half-inch drives back there, 3/8 drive deep. You can just see the different sockets I got in there, some adapters. Mostly everything in here is metric, because like I said, this is for working on my car. Almost everything on your car is going to be metric. Torques, Allens. This here is a quick torque wrench, just has your basic lug nut ones. And then there's an extendable breaker bar from Harbor Freight there. Some various extensions on the side. That's pretty much all the sockets I got there. Pretty much anything you need to get you out of a pickle. Alright, in the first drawer here we got some things. A Milwaukee fastback, screwdrivers, pliers, wire strippers, tape measure, knipex, pliers wrench, got a lighter, wire brush, snap ring pliers. These come with the different tips. They're really cheap from Harbor Freight. You can get them, and they're in there somewhere too. Tire gauge, just cheap set of pliers, mini screwdriver, chalk marker, shears, there's a Sharpie, pencils, pens in there. There's a pick set from Craftsman in here. Those are some of the OGs. Couple pair of vice grips in there. Just a little bit of everything. Some mechanics wire, Allen wrenches, all your smaller pliers and screwdrivers and stuff like that in that drawer. Down here we have a set of metric wrenches. I do keep a set of standard wrenches as well, just in case. It's a voltage meter from Lowe's, Kobalt. This is the Icon meme set. I'm sure you guys know what's in that. That's fantastic. Mini WD-40, a few things of super glue in there. Got a few pry bars you can see here, cheap set from Harbor Freight. Some miscellaneous crow feet, some punches and chisels, just a few in there. Again, most of this stuff is cheap from Harbor Freight or something. It's not something I can keep the best quality tools in. Just a little bit of everything to get you by. This drawer here, it's kind of some miscellaneous stuff. Got a cheap code reader from Harbor Freight, some zip ties, some plastic Christmas tree push pins. This is really cool. Handsaw. This takes blades. It takes sawzall blades, hacksaw blades, or jigsaw blades, and it just holds them in there. You can saw by hand. Some wire nuts and butt connectors. These are some hex shank drill bits. Again, that would be by hand. I would put them in this nut driver here. Do it by hand if you need to drill through plastic. I guess you could do metal if you really needed to, but the idea is maybe for a plastic hole. Tubing cutter. Down here I got some sections of wire and sections of various tubing if you need to like fix a fuel line, power steering line, something like that. Assortment of some random fuses, electrical tape. There's a hammer, ball peen hammer down there, a few big extensions, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch ratchet all down there. A couple C-clamps, and then I have a 3/8 T-handle in there as well. Kind of serves as a breaker bar if you needed that scenario. So that's most of what's in there, pretty much. One thing I think I missed up here is just a puller for the plastic rivets. I do have a ruler down in there. I got a flashlight. This is like a mini screwdriver here with precision tips. There's a lighter. Just all kinds of things you might need on the roadside, but there is a method to the madness. Should be able to get you out about just about any scenario, tool-wise. And then I also keep over here, this is also stays in my car. It's just a travel blanket that folds up. This is a battery air compressor. So you plug it into your car and you can inflate your tires. It's a tow rope. Tire plug kit from Rough Country. This is actually really nice for the price. Let me open this up here real quick so you guys can see. It comes in here. It's probably the best you're going to get for cheap travel kit. So you got your plug tool, got some plugs in there, a valve cores, tools there, another air gauge, and a little pry bar. This here is a battery jump starter, and that's about it, guys. If you see anything else in here you have questions on, I'll just give you a pan through the drawer real quick so you can see everything that's in there. All kinds of different stuff. If you have any questions, oh, this is some RTV. If you need to make a gasket or fix a leak kind of quickly, you can do that. There's some jumper leads down in there too, in case you need to, jump a relay or something. Any questions? I can give you a link or something to what it is. Most of this is just cheap tools or stuff that I had in different things. I do work in the automotive industry, so I have a set of professional tools that I keep. But most of this is pretty second-rate stuff, just in case you need something. Not really what I'd want to work at, but I want it to be organized if I did need it. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you. Maybe think of some things you might not have considered. If you break down the side of the road, you could fix it yourself, save a tow bill, save a lot of time and money, maybe something like that. So God bless. Have a great day.